Keto billions. It's a whole nother day, and we about to make some soul food without the meat. So for tonight's meal, I'll be making potato salad, baked macaroni and cheese, coleslaw, rice, basically all the sides that you can think of. To do my baked macaroni, I like to blend the bell pepper. I added a little bit of water, salt, and black pepper, and now I'm gonna blend it up.
Mommy, I want to finish my basket.
What do you want to do with your basket? Can you put this in the trash for me?
Yes, give me.
Hold on. One more.
1
2.
and 2.
Thank you so much.
Wait, what about this one to close?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Here, closed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
A lot.
Now, let me tell you something. I forgot to get some eggs because I don't normally buy eggs. But if I make baked macaroni and cheese, I would buy the egg. But I used to wonder why people put eggs in the baked macaroni and cheese. And I was told that it was to keep the baked macaroni, it was to keep it so it could stick together. But wouldn't the cheese do that? Let me know in the comments. What's the purpose of having eggs in the baked macaroni and cheese? Do you put eggs in your baked macaroni and cheese? I did it before, and you know, the cheese kept it together real good, so. It's some coleslaw. I love me some coleslaw, okay? I don't really know how to make it. All I know is just add some mayo to it. And I'm going to add some agave and mayo. That's it. Mayo? Yeah, it's mayo. Agave. Now I'm going to add my sauce. Got the coleslaw. Got the chickpea right here. Ooh, stay on that now. Got the potato salad, and then you got your baked macaroni, and then you got your rice. Ooh, I'm Isaiah's gonna try some dragon fruit, even though he doesn't eat any kind of fruits. He's going to try it, right, Isaiah? Okay, and yeah.
Yeah, done this is awesome.
But first, we are gonna give you our realest reaction because I ain't never had this. You ever had this before?
She's sitting here nibbling on it.
No, I'm not.
I ain't never had this before. This is my first time. It's gonna be my first time. So let me see what it's giving. I'm just gonna take a nice little scoop. Here it is.
I want to eat it.
Smell it. Hold on, wait.
It don't smell like nothing.
It sure don't.
Can I smell it? It don't smell like nothing, Mommy.
It looks like it does, but it don't.
Can I smell it?
Hold on. Wait. Let me go first, okay?
I want to smell
All right, just relax. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Okay.
This my turn now. It don't taste like nothing either. I like it.
It's not.
You know, it took me a while to swallow. It don't taste like nothing. I love the yellow one.
Why would they get the yellow one, Mommy? He lying.
You don't even taste like nothing, so of course.
It's good to put in a juice or a smoothie.
Yeah.
Mommy, I need spoon.
You're getting too
It depends on the.
When I make a tea blend, I like to use my own herbal tea mix. So I'll put together something like bilberry. I have moringa in here. What else? It's been so long since I made this, but I know for sure I have moringa and bilberry in here. It might just be them too. Moringa is high in iron. Bilberry is good for your eyesight. I'm sure I have something else in here, but I don't know what it is. This was honestly in my storage like this, already filled, and I was not wasting that. But this was from when I was staying in a hotel, so it's not that old. And herbs, it take a minute to get old anyway. Like, you know, the lifespan on herbs is, I think, 2-3 years, and I haven't had it for that long, but it's in there. Time to start this flex job. Don't be ready, don't you be ready. I was hoping that I didn't get no package at all, but I got 9, and it's gonna be a little far. They pulling up in a Tesla. I just scan each package. Okay, this is package number 7. Oh, it's heavy. 8. Come on, 8. Get your big stuff in there. 6. Wait a minute, some packages missing. And this is 3. This is pack. You could have stayed in the front. You can come back in the front, my lady. So when it's a lot of packages, she got to get in the back because my packages, they need to go in the front. Okay, go ahead, big girl. Go ahead, big girl. Big girl. Look at the mess. I just cleaned this car. See you later. Have a good day. Smooches, kisses, and no kisses and kisses and hugs.
The whole world sees exactly what we feel. A hope for love.
This drive was making me so sleepy. I had to fight to stay up.
Excuse me. Y'all know what's up, so you're straight.
So apparently that's a whole fire over there. I don't know what's burning, but it's big. It is massive. It's huge. I really feel like this camera don't do it no justice. My God. Oh my goodness. The smoke reaches the skies. The sky. Something is really burning over there. That's crazy.